welcome to Hyder forklift. This is Hyder self-loading stick 1000 kg with lifting height of 1300 millimeters. This model is for electric power that you can see. This is our intelligent handlebar with butterfly switch for its speed control, the reverse button, the hold, and the battery display with lifting button and the lowering button. And we also have button on the back of this, which is easy for your operation during your lifting work. And we have the drive wheels. As you can see here, it's big drive wheels, PU wheels, and the driving motor is integrated with 0.6 kilowatts. And the lithium battery we use here is 48 volts, 15 ampere hours or 20 ampere hours for working times of 50 times loading and unloading cycles. And you can see here is our lifting work, lowering work, the silent. And if you need any more videos of operation, feel free to contact us. We can send you more about this. Looking forward to your OEM ideas and welcome your cooperation. Thank you a lot.